Hey guys, I'm Mike from REESE, and today we're taking a look at the REESE Starter Kit, part number 21536 RAK. The REESE Starter Kit provides you with everything you need to tow. Included in this kit is a ball mount with a pre-torqued 2-inch hitch ball and a 5/8 inch pin and clip. Just insert the shank of the ball mount into your trailer hitch receiver, secure it in place with the pin and clip, and you're ready to connect your tow vehicle to your trailer. This ball mount is designed to fit 2-inch trailer hitch receivers, features a welded construction from steel, and includes our metal shield finish for superior resistance to rust and corrosion. To make things even more convenient, it features an angled cut to make inserting and removing the ball mount from the trailer hitch receiver simple and easy. It has a towing capacity of 6,000 pounds and a tongue weight capacity of 600 pounds. The ball mount does come pre-torqued in the drop position and gives you 2 inches of drop. But if you choose to use the ball mount in the rise position, it'll give you 3/4 inches of rise. If you find that your towing setup changes after using the starter kit and you need to install a different hitch ball than the one provided, the ball mount has a hole diameter size of 1 inch. And that's it for the REESE Starter Kit, part number 21536 RAK. For more information on this and other great products from REESE, visit reeseproducts.com.